second video of the day. I'm not going to be doing nothing fast today. Just, oh, fucking bug. Sitting out on my back porch. Give you guys a quick shot of my backyard. This is my side yard. Just dropping the smokes. This is my side yard. There's another video. There's my backyard. There's the basketball hoop and the half court. That's my big screen TV right there that I'm not allowed to have in my house. So, just sitting out back. So we can't set this guy up over there. Oh, today is just a weird day. This video is for the Aussie dude. Rugby 721, Tiny Tim, Bruce, BTM. This is what I do. I'm sorry that I'm gay and I like techno music. I can't help it. Just, it's not rap. I fucking hate rap. It's bullshit. I like old rap, 3 6 Mafia, Bone Thugs, you know, old Snoop, Dre, Ice Cube, I mean, all the old good rap and shit, not this new bullshit that's just out there nowadays. I really should see if I can do this one in under 10 minutes, but this is my favorite. I know. So usually I try to savor the flavor. Ew. Oh, disgusting. Look at that little. I know I need a haircut too, so just leave me alone. If someone wants to send me $12 to get a haircut, I'll get a haircut. But other than that, I got 40s to buy. So Tiny Tim, I would love to be on your webcast and your streaming live videos. I just have no idea pretty much even how to run my computer. I suck at computers, so if you want to like let me know, maybe do a shout out video for me, let me know what's up, that'll help. I would love to be in one of them videos. So there goes Grandpa with the leaf blower. Let's turn this down here for a quick second. And we'll go take a little quick look at my tomato plants. I'm a fucking hog on tomatoes. I love them. This is my basketball court. Half court. Oh, I farted. Holy smokes! Ain't been out here in a couple days to water them. I've been kind of slacking. Hold on. So those are my tomato plants. The one in the middle we bought already kind of going. And then all these other guys, all these guys here are all regular tomatoes. And all these little guys over here are all cherry tomatoes. So, fuckers are getting big. I'm gonna come out here and water them. Middle of the yard swill. Killing it. There you go. That was a good one. Oh. Set this goal. See what's going on here. What am I gonna do? I think we'll just leave it at that for now. Appreciate all you guys watching my videos, all my 40 videos. I'm consider myself kind of a fucking, I don't know, weirdo, fucking lame, I guess you could say. I don't really do a whole lot. I make 40 videos. I drink beers. I make I already said that. I make 40 videos. I do that. Ugh, it's gross. I need a fucking shave. Nah. I need a haircut. Look at this fucking mop. Look at that. But anyways, like I said, I appreciate you guys watching my videos. Get at me, Tiny, about that webcast thing. I'd love to be in one of your videos. And I have fucking mobile broadband Verizon bullshit, so I can go on anywhere, and I just don't know what to do, so, and how I get hooked up with you and do all that good shit. So, and Rugby, do a shout out for me, a couple of them Colt 45s maybe or something, and Newports for life. No. See you guys later.